What's up, everyone? Today we're pitting two 16-inch titans against each other, the versatile Asus ROG Flow X16 and the professional Dell Pro Max 16 Premium. It's 2026, and the choice has never been tougher. Make sure to watch till the end before you buy because I'll name a definitive winner. I've put links for the latest deals below. Drop a like if this helps. Let's jump into it. When weighing the physical identities of the Asus ROG Flow X16 and the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium, you are looking at two fundamentally different philosophies regarding what a 16-inch powerhouse should be. The Asus ROG Flow X16 is an engineering curiosity that leans into versatility. Its magnesium-aluminum alloy chassis feels rigid and premium, yet its defining characteristic is the 360-degree ergo-lift hinge. This allows a massive 16-inch machine to flip into tent or tablet modes, a feat that feels both impressive and slightly unwieldy given the sheer surface area of the device. It manages to stay relatively understated for a gaming laptop, avoiding the gamer aesthetic with a clean matte finish, though it remains a device built for adaptability and high-performance play. In contrast, the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium is the quintessential executive tool. Built entirely from CNC-machined metal, it prioritizes structural absolute zero flex and a footprint so minimized it feels smaller than its display would suggest. While the Asus is experimental and flexible, the Dell is stoic and professional, trading the flashy convertible hinge for a zero-lattice keyboard and a sophisticated boardroom presence. This divergence continues into their port selections, where both machines make modern but polarizing choices. The Asus ROG Flow X16 provides a functional spread that includes HDMI and USB-A, which is a relief for those with older peripherals, but its party trick is the proprietary XG mobile interface. This bulky, specialized connector is the gateway to desktop-class GPU power, though it occupies significant real estate on the left side and forces a reliance on Asus's own ecosystem. It notably lacks rear-facing ports and a full-size SD slot, which might irk creators. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium, meanwhile, represents the all-in transition to the future of connectivity. It boasts cutting-edge Thunderbolt 5 ports, offering immense bandwidth for professional docking stations, and includes a full-size SD card reader that creators will love. However, Dell has completely purged USB-A from this chassis. While the Asus requires a proprietary dongle for its best performance, the Dell requires a standard dongle for something as simple as a legacy thumb drive. Where the Asus offers a blend of gaming-centric and proprietary expansion, the Dell focuses on high-speed standardized throughput, leaving users to decide whether they prefer the Flow's mechanical flexibility or the Pro Max's streamlined, if dongle-dependent, elegance. When comparing the visual experiences offered by these two 16-inch machines, the conversation centers on the tension between versatile utility and high-fidelity immersion. The Asus ROG Flow X16 utilizes a QHD+ touchscreen with a 16:10 aspect ratio that serves as a canvas for its unique 360-degree form factor. It is a panel designed for motion and interaction. The high refresh rate ensures that gaming and scrolling remain fluid, while the touch responsiveness is critical for its identity as a large-format tablet. While it offers vibrant color reproduction and sharp detail suitable for both gaming and general productivity, the touchscreen is a functional necessity given the hardware's ability to flip into tent or stand modes. Conversely, the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium approaches the display as a professional's window into precision, offering a flagship Tandem OLED option that prioritizes visual depth and color accuracy. With its 4K+ resolution and 100% DCI-P3 coverage, the Dell's OLED panel provides a level of contrast and ink-like blacks that the Asus's more traditional panel struggles to match. While both laptops embrace the 16:10 trend to maximize vertical workspace, the Asus focuses on the physical flexibility of the screen, whereas the Dell focuses on the technical superiority of the pixels themselves, making the Dell a more natural fit for high-end color grading and the Asus more appropriate for interactive media. The hardware used for communication and sensory output further distinguishes the two models, particularly in how they treat the webcam and audio. The Asus ROG Flow X16 houses a standard HD webcam that is serviceable for casual video calls but remains unremarkable in its clarity and color accuracy. It is a functional inclusion that fulfills the basic requirement of a modern laptop without aiming for excellence. On the other hand, the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium integrates an 8-megapixel IR webcam that significantly outperforms the industry standard found on the Asus. This sensor provides a much sharper image, better handling of low-light grain, and the added benefit of Windows Hello facial recognition for instant security. While the Asus might feel like it is prioritizing internal components over communication hardware, the Dell treats the webcam as a critical enterprise tool. This professional focus in the Dell is tempered by its lack of a physical privacy shutter, an omission that contrasts with its high security identity. Audio experiences on both machines are surprisingly robust for their thin profiles. The Asus utilizes side-mounted speakers that provide clear vocals and decent stereo separation, which is helpful for gaming in different physical orientations. The Dell provides a balanced and clear sound profile optimized for conference calls and clarity, though both machines inevitably hit the physical limitations of thin chassis bass response. The tactile relationship between the user and the machine highlights a major design divergence in their respective keyboard and touchpad philosophies. The Asus ROG Flow X16 features a keyboard that feels familiar to gamers and traditionalists alike. It offers comfortable key travel, well-spaced keys, and a set of dedicated hardware buttons for volume and microphone control that reduce the need for complex function key combinations. Its touchpad is large and traditional, providing a reliable and responsive surface that feels well-tuned to the laptop's gaming roots. In a move toward radical modernization, the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium implements a zero-lattice keyboard design that eliminates the traditional gaps between keys. This creates a striking, seamless aesthetic and allows for larger keycaps, though it introduces a learning curve for touch typists used to more traditional spacing. Dell also opts for a haptic touchpad, which uses vibration motors to simulate clicks rather than a mechanical diving board mechanism. This allows for a more consistent clicking feel across the entire surface of the pad, contrasting with the Asus's traditional mechanical click. The Dell's layout also features several quirks, such as half-height arrow keys and a non-traditional fen lock behavior, which contrasts with the more straightforward, gamer-friendly layout found on the Asus. When analyzing endurance, the two laptops show that all-day battery life is no longer a myth for 16-inch performance machines, though they reach their results through different paths of efficiency. The Asus ROG Flow X16 manages a respectable 7.5 hours during video streaming tests, which is quite impressive for a gaming-oriented machine housing a Ryzen 9 processor. However, its battery life is highly volatile. The moment the internal GPU is engaged for gaming or intensive rendering, the power draw spikes and the unplugged runtime shrinks to a fraction of its productivity potential. It is a machine that can handle a morning in a coffee shop, but it remains tethered to a power brick for its primary purpose. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium, however, demonstrates the benefits of Intel's latest architectural focus on efficiency, stretching its 96 watt-hour battery to over 10 hours in standard office workloads. This makes the Dell one of the few laptops in its class that can truly survive a full workday away from a charger. While the Dell's OLED display option can be more taxing on the battery than a standard IPS panel, the overall system tuning favors sustained, low-power operation. The Asus is built for bursts of high-intensity performance that demand a plug, while the Dell is engineered for the long-haul consistency required by mobile professionals who may not have access to an outlet between meetings. When examining the internal machinery that drives these two 16-inch powerhouses, the architectural differences reveal two very different approaches to high-end computing. The Asus ROG Flow X16 relies on the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS, a processor that has garnered a reputation for balancing aggressive multi-threaded performance with impressive thermal efficiency. It is a chip designed to thrive in a chassis that must occasionally fold into a tablet where heat management is a constant challenge. This Ryzen heart makes the Flow X16 a snappy, responsive machine for daily tasks and high-end consumer workloads. In contrast, the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium leans into the latest Intel Core Ultra 2H class silicon, such as the Ultra 7265H. Dell takes advantage of its slightly more traditional, albeit refined, workstation chassis to push these processors further, prioritizing sustained clock speeds over short bursts of speed. While the Asus feels like it was tuned for the agility required by a gamer or a mobile creator, the Dell feels like it was engineered for the grueling, long-duration stability required by an engineer or an enterprise power user. This divergence becomes even more pronounced when looking at their creative and editing capabilities. The Asus ROG Flow X16, equipped with an internal NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, is a highly capable machine for video editing and photo manipulation. It offers enough graphical muscle to handle 4K timelines and complex layers in Adobe Creative Cloud, especially when aided by the Ryzen 9's multi-core prowess. However, its true potential is unlocked through its proprietary XG mobile interface, which allows it to bypass its internal limitations and tap into the power of an external RTX 3080. This modularity turns the Asus into a Jekyll and Hyde machine, a portable editor by day and a desktop-class workstation by night. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium handles the editing workload with a more integrated, professional-grade philosophy. Instead of consumer-focused GeForce cards, the Dell offers NVIDIA RTX Pro graphics, such as the RTX Pro 3000 from the Blackwell series. These GPUs are specifically optimized for stability and precision in applications like CAD, SolidWorks, and DaVinci Resolve. While the Asus might win in a raw rendering race when docked to its external GPU, the Dell provides a more consistent, all-in-one workstation experience that doesn't require extra peripherals to reach its professional ceiling. Gaming performance serves as the final and perhaps most dramatic point of comparison between the two. The Asus ROG Flow X16 is a gaming laptop at its core, and it wears that identity proudly. Even with its internal RTX 3060, it handles modern titles like Call of Duty at smooth frame rates on its QHD+ display. When the XG mobile unit is connected, it ascends into the upper echelon of gaming performance, rivaling high-end desktop rigs and easily outpacing almost any integrated professional laptop. It is a machine built for high refresh rates, low latency, and the sheer joy of visual fidelity. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium, by comparison, treats gaming as a secondary, almost incidental capability. While its RTX Pro graphics cards are technically capable of running AAA titles, they are hampered by drivers that are tuned for mathematical accuracy and software certification, rather than peak frame rates in games. A user could certainly enjoy a session of a modern title on the Dell, particularly with its stunning Tandem OLED display, but the experience is not the primary focus of the machine's thermal or software profile. The Asus is an athlete designed for the stadium, whereas the Dell is a high-performance specialist designed for the laboratory, and their performance in gaming environments reflects those distinct origins. So, which one takes the crown? If you need a versatile beast that handles 4K editing by day and elite gaming by night, the Asus ROG Flow X16 is the winner. Its 360-degree flexibility and XG mobile power make it unbeatable for hybrid users. The Dell is great for offices, but for pure 2026 innovation, Asus wins.